Oops. It is beautiful out in the courtyard this morning. The fence got finished being painted. My Bobo's out in the courtyard looking snazzy. He needs a little brushing today. The birds are crowing and looks like it's going to be a nice day today. Let's hope so. Humidity is down. I was just listening to the Star Spangled Banner. It was playing on a bass around here, and I hear it in the morning. I'm going to bring you around here. I need to put my planter back further against the wall now that we are finished painting. You can hear the birds singing this morning. Got a crow that has a lot to say. I've got a cactus over here that should be in bloom soon, and this one is gorgeous when it blooms. It has almost like yellow daisies. Oh, Sheriff's here. What you gotta say this morning, Mr. Sheriff? What you talking about? Really? What happened? Are you kidding? No, you're not kidding. You gonna go jump up on the fence? What you think? Oh, big boy's out too. Big boy, you going back in the house? Is that what you're watching, little man? Big boy doesn't like it out here. Something scared him out here. Huh? Yeah, something scared big boy. Sheriff's on the move. I think he's heading back in for a little bit more food. He's been out all night long, so it's time to supplement. Hear the birds. Very peaceful out here this morning. That tree's not doing as good as the others. I don't know why. I have had to cut and top these. They say not to do it. They're magnolias. But for some reason, this one looks a little shabby. I've got some dead leaves on the outside that I've got to prune. And I got to get that big branch down over there. Just washed windows yesterday. This kind of house keeps you busy. We still need to finish pressure washing out here. But, you know, from where I was when I moved in 10 months ago, it's seen so much progress. I love these cantilevered eaves. They really protect you. When the rain comes, it's nice. But you have to make sure you've got the right thing growing underneath, because my beautiful Japanese maple took a hit from being under here and not being able to get rain. So I'm praying it's not dead. This is my dill pickle plant here. It got too much rain being out from under the eave, so I had to move that in here. This is doing great. It was little when I planted it. And oh Lord, my cactus there, it's a pencil cactus, I believe. They call that by several names, but it's looking fabulous. The hard part's going to be, oh Lord, when it has to come in the winter. It cannot survive out here with the cold we have. These are doing fabulous. I water them probably maybe every other morning, I'm going to say. And then this stray just showed up on the outside, so I'm leaving it. Over here, we've got my planter that needs to move back, and it's doing really good. It likes this location a lot. My fern's hanging in that corner. This one is a water plant, not doing so hot. I think it's still living, but I've got a little cactus over here, one I'm shooting off a long stem with flowers. Now there's that noisy crow. He's got a lot to say. I think I'm getting ready to get flowers on this dude. This seems to love it out here. It just kind of blends in with the grass. And then over here, my cactus is growing and growing. My ferns took a little bit of a hit last week with the heat. My yucca is saying, yes ma'am, I like this location. And my cactus back here seem to be surviving. I've got some weeds in there I've got to get out. So all in all, looking good. I need to get out here and get a night view for y'all. Excuse all our cleaning stuff. We must have my helper, and he's doing a fabulous job. And those are our chemicals we're using. I think today he'll probably start doing the power washing. That screen is interesting. You can actually move it. It has little clips that you clip it on. And it was over on the back wall over there. And it looks really good if I put it on this wall, but then it closes in the view. Because it looks good when you walk in and you see both screens. So that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoy.